guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply your design to any merch in Canva. So if you go to the popular ones, select mockups, and you're going to select the mockup that you want to use. You have like smartphones here, there's like shirts here as well. So I'll just use this for instance, this like hoodie. And it's going to be applied here. Let me just change the background color as well. Then I'm going to, you can either upload your design or you can go to elements and find something that you want to add. I want to add this one for instance. I'm just going to drag it and apply it to the mockup there. And here you can edit the image as well. You can rotate it, you can fill it. I'm going to do fit. And I'm going to rotate that and I'm going to adjust it a little bit. You can see there's an alignment. I'm going to flip it horizontally as well. You can also change the color of the outfit, I think. Let's like use a different color, like maybe kind of like a pink. And then you're going to just select apply, and as you can see it did change the color of the hoodie as well. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!